welcome to the K Style. So for today's video, this is the second video of the series. I did not name this series. Wow, well, this is the second video of the series. So today I thought I would review a jewelry brand in the sense they just have a Instagram page. They don't have a website. This is the only thing which doesn't have a website in this whole series. But I think their customer service is bomb. They have some amazing customer service, and the delivery system is also super fast. So I thought I would include this in this series. So the brand I'm speaking about is Studio Twinklet. Yeah. Since the ban of Shein, so we are in search of some amazing jewelry and good quality jewelry. So and I couldn't find it elsewhere, so at that time I found Studio Twinklet, and oh god, they have some amazing chain link necklaces, and the quality is so super good. And I told you, like, they have such an amazing collection. So yeah, most of them are a statement jewelry. Like, if you are into like statement jewelry, then I think your search is going to end with Studio Twinklet. And they do have only western kind of a jewelry. So yeah, speaking about the product which I got from Studio Twinklet, that is this particular chain link necklace. Well, needless to say, how many times did you see this chain link necklace? How many times did you see this chain link necklace in my videos on YouTube and Instagram? Because I wear it all the time, literally all the time. But this did not fade a bit. Like, look at it, the shine and everything is just the same. This made of some kind of material. I think it's rhodium. Yeah, I think it's rhodium, and the quality is so good, and the way it has been delivered in a plastic box, like a big plastic box. I think that is so good, man. Like, yeah, you can store it for other things. So I stored the box with my other jewelry, so I could not get it now. But still, the quality is so good. And when it comes to pricing, the price is a little expensive. I agree, it is expensive. Most of the jewelry range from 700, yeah, they range from 700 to 1500, mostly 1500, 2000, that's it. But they do last for a really long time, my dear. They last for a really long time. You have to invest in one of these pieces, because like, such chains are something which go with every outfit of yours. So I end up wearing like so many times. So that is the reason quality is so important. Many inexpensive chains and stuff, they get darkened over time, and then you have to buy another. So keeping everything, this has some awesome quality. So yeah, I don't mind paying the price for the quality it gives. So yeah, that's the reason. And when it comes to customer service, they have some amazing customer service. I have to tell, when I ordered it over WhatsApp. I ordered it over WhatsApp after asking all the, its video and how it's, because that's the first time I'm ordering from some an Instagram store which I've never known before. So I've done that, and they are very sweet to give share me the video, and they show that the product will be delivered in time. So it has been delivered in 4 days, if I'm not wrong. At that time, even Corona is in the high, is near the peak, but still they have delivered it in 4 days, which I think is great. And the look it provides, it compensates everything. So yeah, that's about the quality and delivery, and customer service is also great. Wow. And I don't think they give cash on delivery, because it's a small Instagram store. I don't think they give cash on delivery, so you have to pay through your wallets and stuff. So that is one thing which I want to put out there. So what you can find on this things are like this chain link necklaces, a little bit of western jewelry like hoops, and many kind of small dainty western studs and stuff. And they also have some amazing crystal chokers, crystal hip chains, and crystal hairbands. They look so beautiful, right? They look so good. And rhinestone things, crystal, like all of them, like most all of them are like out there, like, you know, statement jewelry. They have the collection of statement jewelry. If you're into it just like me, you know where to go. Studio Trinkletickies. I'm gonna link their Instagram page down in the description box below, so you can go and check out there. Meanwhile, follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the screen and down in the description box below. Well, that's about today's video. I hope you really enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please make sure you subscribe and let us reach 200. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon next to you so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll meet you in another video tomorrow. Until then, bye.